Alright guys, so as you can see I have 543.90 USDT in this particular account right now here on Adsterra. So I've been using my direct link to gain this amount of money here, and literally I've been teaching everything for free on this particular channel. So what you need to do is to just watch this video from the beginning to an end. I'm going to show you all the strategy I have been using with this account to make this amount of money here. So let's just dive into the video and show you how to do this. Alright guys, so there is no need for us to waste any more time here. So I'll go straight and show you how I was able to earn some little amount of money in my Adsterra account. So this video is basically going to be a strategy using your direct link for this particular video. So what you need to do is to just watch the video from the beginning to an end, and all the processes will be shown or given to you for free without paying for anything. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go ahead and subscribe to this particular channel you're watching the video on, which is Mr. Henry. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel here. Go ahead and turn on the notification bell in order for you to get notified whenever I drop such an amazing content like this. All what I do is to show you guys how you can make money online. Aside that, nothing else anymore. So please subscribe and let's keep moving. If you're interested in making money with Adsterra and Money Tag, I have a playlist, Hilltops Art and many more. I have a playlist to show you guys how you can make money with this um advertising platforms. Okay, so just go ahead and make sure to subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, and let's keep it moving. You can also join my WhatsApp group. Please, the link can be found under the description of this particular video. So just go ahead and tap on the link to join my WhatsApp. Of course, I used to share a lot of updates I cannot share on YouTube, so just go up there and join me out there, and we are all gonna make fun to make some cool cash at the end of the year. So the first thing you need to do is just open your Adsterra account. So this is my Adsterra account here. So if you don't know Adsterra, Adsterra is basically going to help you make money using a direct link which will be generated from Adsterra for you. So the best thing for you to do is to just promote this link to get some free traffics, and the more the traffics come, the more you make some cool cash or some cool money for yourself. So the best thing is for you to just have a good use of the direct links on either on your apps, your website, or any blog that you are managing out there. You can insert in Astera direct link, and we are going to make some cool cash for ourselves. So if you want more tutorials or more video about Astera, if you're new, please just go ahead and watch the playlist out here. Just go and watch this playlist. Just watch this playlist, and it's going to actually help you understand everything about Adsterra you need to do. So just log in as a publisher or advertiser, and you're good to go. So this is my account here. Most of you here know that this is my demo account. Let me try to refresh the page for you guys to see that this account is actually active, and this is my tutorial account that I've been using it for all of my tutorials. So it's actually loading for me. So this account is just for tutorial sake. So I'm going to show you everything you have to know. So please, whatever will be shown here, make sure to have a demo account so that you can give it a try before you send it to your main account. Yes, so please try to know that. All right. So if you find it safe, then you go ahead and practice it out there. But most of the times I found it very safe to show you guys. So just try it with a demo account before you go ahead and use it on different or your main account. All right, don't get your account blocked or being locked on my Adsterra. All right, so I have this account here, and I'm going to show you everything you have to know. Now the first thing you need to do is just ask for a direct link. If you want a direct link or you want to use the old one, you can go ahead and then use a direct link. So in this case, either you're going to request, or I'll just keep or maintain any of this and copy it. So I would like to copy the direct link of this one, but in case you want one or a new direct link, just click on add direct link. So either you choose adult or mainstream, which is basically going to help you send traffic type. So the adult will just involve adult content, and the mainstream is not actually going to involve adult content. All right, good. So what you need to do is just select any of these method, and then you're good to go. So I would like to just click on add, and it will be show pending there, but I would like to use this one. All right, I would like to use this one, and then have to copy this link. Now the next you're gonna do is just go to any link shorten URL that you know. All right, so in this case I'm going to type shorten URL, so you can see I have shorten URL here. All right, so in this case I want to use this free URL shortener. All right, so just click on it and it's going to open different page for you right now here. So what you're going to do is just paste in the link here. All right, because this is very long, and once you send it to any platform or anywhere, it is easily being detected by people that this is actually what you're trying to do. You are trying to run an ads for that you can generate some income for yourself, but not their profit. But in this way, you want to shorten the link so people will not get the idea about what this link is. All right, because we all know that this time promoting links is very dangerous. All right, so just click on shorten link, and then we are going to get a link from this platform. So our link have been shortened for us. All right, our link can be shortened for us. So let me try to close this. All right, so let's say um our link have been shortened for us, so I'm trying to locate that particular one. All right, so here it is. All right, so this is the links that have been shortened. So just copy this one. So once you copy this one, it's still going to work. All right, so let's try to open it and see if it's actually still going to work. All right, so this is the link that we have here. You can see it has opened in this manner, but if we've been shortening it so that people will not get the idea about this link. So this is our link that you're going to promote. So once people click on the link, this is how it's actually going to work. All right, so the next thing you're gonna do, let me try to have the copy wall. The next thing you're gonna do is just go to this ads here, ad network. All right, it's advertising ad network, which is called the classifyads.com. So we have categories of ads that you can run here for vehicles, for rent, pets, items for sale, jobs, estates, services, other services out here. You have community. So there are lots of ads you can run here. So in case you have any businesses or anything else, you can come here and run your ads. So we are basically going to run our ads here on this particular website. So what you're going to do is just click on this aspect which say post an ad for free. All right, so just click on post an ad, and it's going to show you create your free ads. So this with this one, we are not going to pay for anything. All right, there is no need for you to pay for any money or just pay for ads promoting just like the other platform does. So what you're gonna do here is just go ahead and do it straight for free. So before I continue, please go ahead and subscribe if you're watching this video. Go ahead and join the WhatsApp group. The link can be found under the description of this particular video. Like it, and let's proceed with this particular video. So what you're gonna do is just select category. So the type of category you're gonna set here, select job, right? So just click on subcategory. So any job here, just click on any job here, or you can better still click on security and safety jobs. All right. So what you're gonna do here, just input in the title of the job. All right. So the title of the job, or the title of the art rather, right? It should be the art title. So what you're gonna do here is just go to your notepad here. Of course, I have this script here. And I'm gonna share this script with you in my WhatsApp group. If you want to join, just join me out, then I'm gonna share it with you. So the title of this ad is giveaway alerts. You can use anything, but for the sake of this video, for better understanding, I'm actually using giveaway, so you can get the whole concept of this particular video I am creating here. All right, so it says giveaway alert, and what's the compensation fee I'm trying to add to this giveaway alert? All right, so of course I didn't mention, okay, I have $100 gift card. All right, that's the compensation fee for this giveaway. So anyone who tap on this link or who win this is gonna have that money. All right, so it's $100 gift card. All right, good. So what's the description of this whole thing? So I'm gonna have to come to my notes here and just go ahead. We are excited to announce that of that. That's the description of this. All right, so let's say I have to copy this whole thing here. All right, so let me come here, copy. I come back to my work here and paste it at this session here. Right, so you say we are giving away something amazing and you could be a lucky winner, whether you are into that of that, WhatsApp, grab that of that. All right, so click on the link below. All right, so here is where you're gonna paste in your link. All right, so what you're gonna do is just go to your shorten link. All right, so just come here. All right, and get back to your work here. Get back to your work here, and then it says below, so you have to paste in your link at this session. All right, so you can go ahead and add it. or you can add it here. All right, so this is how it should be done. All right, this is how it actually have to be done. And then the next thing you're gonna do here, it says enter now before it's gone. Click here to join the giveaway. All right, so click here to join the giveaway. You have to also input in the link here. All right, and then this is how it's actually gonna look like. So you're actually going to do this for free. So once you scroll down, it says here is very important. So what you're going to do here is to enter in your name. So let's say my name is Henry. I'm going to use my Henry and then enter a phone number. Of course, I would like to use, maybe I have to use this number here. All right, I'm actually going to use this number here. So keep phone private. That means your number is going to be private, though it's not going to be shown out here. So city, town, or whatever, I like to, let's say, use Accra. All right, I like to use Accra, and the zip code is a zip code. Actually, Ghana is not running a 5 digit or 6 digits zip code, so you can go ahead and then click on the zip code here, and you're gonna get numerous zip code. But please note that where you are selecting as a location is going to determine where your traffics are going to be sent. Okay, where you are selecting or where you're choosing as a location is going to show where your ads are going to be shown to people. So for me, I prefer we edit Accra from here, and let's say New York. All right, let's say Detroit. Let's say Detroit, United States. All right, United States. All right, good. So go ahead to your browser and just type in zip code for United States, Detroit. All right. Okay, so let's say I would like to add Detroit. Yeah, let's say I would like to add Detroit, and then these are some of the zip code in Detroit in United States. So what I'm gonna do is just take any of these ones. So let's say I have 48127. That out of that, all right? So let me copy this. Um, 48127. So let's say I have this um 48127, right? Oh, good. So let's say I have this right now here, and the expiring in, so you can get to know the month which your art is going to display by this platform. This platform is going to promote your art. So you have different duration here. We have 1 week, we have 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. So go ahead and choose the 9 months. This means that they're going to display your art for possible 9 good months. All right, good. So just go ahead and then retype this code. You say ABDBY. All right, this is how it looks like. So add an image, just choose any image. If you don't have image, just go to your Google Play Store, that of that, and just type in gift card or that of that, and then you're gonna get some of the pictures that you want. All right, once you're done, just come to choose file and just insert in the picture here. All right, so I like to insert in the picture here. It have been uploaded here. All right, so just click on their terms and condition by posting an ad on classified out of that. I accept the terms and that. All right, so the next thing you're gonna do here is just click on is just go through to see that everything is intact and valid. All right, good. So I like to just go through and just check this out. All right, good. So here it says location. That means we left this place. So location is gonna be the zip code. So let me try to just copy this zip code here and then send it to this session. All right, good. So this means this zip code is Michigan, Detroit. All right, this code is Michigan, Detroit. So I would like to select it. All right, which is being shown here. All right. So the next thing I'm gonna do here, just click on post this ad. So once you click on post this ad, it's automatically going to run through. So let's say please wait, and let's see the final say. It says your ad has been posted. All right, it says your ad has been posted, which means our ad has been posted for free on this platform without we paying anything. All right, good. So this is a safety way, or this is a way you can make money. So you have some of your details here, right? What your inscription and whatever is being shown here. All right, so this is a free way you can make money by using your Adsterra direct link. So just try this out here, just get to know or calculate or check the results of your work most times. All right, just try it and let me know how it's actually gonna work for you. Now you can come and check and see it time you created is July 27th 2025, and it's going to expire on 2026, which is April 26th, because it's 9 months duration. All right, it's 9 month duration, so it's going to be in that way. So the number of viewers will be shown here for you to know how your ads are performing on this platform. Okay, so this is a simple strategy that I've been using. You can use it to make money using your Adsterra. Please go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like it, and don't forget to join me on WhatsApp. Share this video with your friends, and if you found this helpful, just give me a thumb like, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and see ya.